Guys, SGV News First, out here with System Virus X at QVC. See if they respect the right to film out here today. The city of Ontario, California. Let's do it. Here we go, bro. Security's coming.
How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How can I help you? How can I help you? Can I help you with something? So can I get some assistance in the front? I have two gentlemen recording the property. We might need to call PD.
Hold on one second.
This is private property, guys. If you want, you guys could go across the street. That's fine. But you guys can't be standing over here. You guys.
What's good? What's going on? You on some weird shit or what?
I guess so, man. I just got here right now.
What you clothes on?
You guys doing juice or something?
You guys
You
on
guys could
some
go
weird
across the
shit,
street
bro.
if you want.
You're the only one on some weird shit, weirdo. Coming up to me, I'm out here filming. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
I'm asking what you're doing. I'm
It's
on
none
some
of your
weird shit.
fucking business, man. You call me.
It is my
I'm on
business,
some
homie.
weird shit. You on some
You're
weird
near
shit
me,
approaching
and I
a
work
grown
here,
man in
dog.
public, man. You on some
You're
weird
near
shit.
me.
Why don't you kick rocks?
I'm asking what the fuck's up, dog.
No, it's none of your
'Cause when I
business.
hit your ass
Is
when
this
I'm
your
going out of
business?
here, it's gonna be your fault.
Is
being
this your
standing
business?
like an idiot over here.
Is this your business?
I'm making it my business, homie.
Oh yeah? What are you gonna do
Yeah.
about it then? What are you gonna do about it?
What am I gonna do about it?
Yeah.
This is what I've done so far. Why don't you come up and see what the fuck I'm about, dog?
Hey, don't worry about what I do, man. Don't worry about what I do. You don't control nobody.
I'm asking why you're filming.
You're
like
nothing
a
but a
weirdo,
bully,
bro.
man.
You're not
Back
part
up.
of the news,
Back
bro.
up. Stay away
I'm
from
the
me.
filmer, personally.
Stay away
I'm
from
asking
me,
why
man.
the fuck you have this equipment, bro?
You walked up to me, homeboy.
Exactly.
I
I'm
was
asking what the
filming in
fuck
this
you're doing,
direction.
dog.
You walked right in front of my camera, so
Okay.
kick rocks,
I'll
man.
fucking walk wherever I
Kick
want,
rocks,
bro.
man.
I'll walk wherever I want, bro. What's good?
Hey, relax,
What's
bro,
goody?
relax.
Team member? Excuse me?
What's good, bro? I better back up. I better. Oh, is there a law now? Is there a law?
You need to.
They're on some weird shit.
Get over here, please. Get over here. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Can
Man, you
stay
guys
on
are some
that?
weird shit. You guys are some weirdo shit, man.
Sorry about that.
That's pretty messed up.
Okay, I have someone here.
Well, the story just made a big turn right now. I don't understand why they would act like
No.
this. Alright, so you guys ever wondered what a security guard's job really is? Take note from Lisa. She's very educated, very informed, and she respects our right to film in public. Big shout out to Lisa. I hope you watched this video, Lisa. Thank you so much.
Their team member came and approached them, and
Got right in your face?
so
Got in
yeah,
my
got in
face,
her
threatened
face.
violence.
Sorry about that.
It's pretty messed up, man.
Okay, give us a second. No, they're the people. They're not team members, but the person that approached them was. No, the team member backed off. We had him back off.
pretty messed up, man.
Hi, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What are you guys here for?
Yeah, we're just covering a news story for the public interest, and you know, there's no reason for you guys to come and try to get in front of our cameras.
I
and
didn't.
stuff.
I didn't.
I mean, not you,
No.
but this guy first, and then the other guy, you know, and then threatening violence. You know, it's
Okay,
unnecessary.
go
on private property, we're on the
Okay.
sidewalk.
Yeah. He said we had to go across the street, and we're out here on the public sidewalk.
You guys could go across
It'd
the
probably be a
street.
good idea. Hey man, just to let you know, it'd
Sorry
probably be a
about
good
that, sir.
idea if you learned a little bit more about the law, because this is a public sidewalk right here.
I apologize.
That line right there is your property, man.
Yeah, but if
You
you're
see
doing
anything
it
beyond this
public,
Yeah, you
point,
go back
that's your
inside, man.
property,
She's
man.
got it. We appreciate it.
So, have a good day,
they
man.
said they're doing
It's
a.
actually
Yeah.
Are you San Gabriel something?
SGV News First.
Okay, yeah, they're doing that.
Doing a First
something
Amendment
for-
audit. We're
for,
defending our freedom out
public
here.
knowledge. William, go
We're
ahead and go on
exercising
over
our
there,
rights
take
to
care of the
defend our
crowd,
freedom
please.
out here, man.
I
You
support
need to
what you're
learn.
doing.
Watch my
I
videos,
support-
man.
I support what you're doing. That's it.
What?
Okay.
I support what you're doing.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Okay, that's it.
Well, they're not on
But
the
see,
property.
look, let me
They're
tell you
not
something
on
real
the
quick, man.
property
Because
right
if
now.
it
They
wasn't
put this on
me,
video and
if it was
everything.
somebody else, and
Yeah.
then you're trying to do
So,
it to them,
should we just
it's
leave
just
him
as
here
bad
and
as
just
doing
let
it to
him?
me right now because you didn't know who I was. You know, just because you guys,
Okay.
you know, it's SGV News First. Now you're like, oh, I
well,
support
I
you.
didn't know.
Okay.
I didn't know.
Okay.
But you
alright.
got to give freedom to everybody,
I
man.
know,
Not
no,
just
no,
me,
no,
not
no,
just
no,
this
thank
guy.
you.
Pero all I
Yeah.
said was you could go
Okay.
across the street. That's
William,
all
go
I said.
ahead and go on inside. Please.
All right, man. Have a good
Well,
one.
you
I
have a good night.
apologize.
Yeah,
Okay?
no worries.
I apologize.
Yeah, you're good. I appreciate
I
you
think I've
coming
seen
up.
you.
Professionalism.
I think you guys have. I've seen you on video before on YouTube or something.
Yeah,
Maybe,
definitely.
yeah. So, I apologize for
No,
any
definitely.
inconvenience.
No, we appreciate you
I
coming
appreciate
up
your
and
professionalism.
de-escalating.
Well,
Can I
thank
get your
you.
first name just
My
for
name's
the
Lisa.
record?
Lisa.
Lisa, thank you very much.
All right, you guys.
Appreciate it.
You
Thank
guys
you,
have a
Lisa.
wonderful night. Okay.
You too.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right.
Have a good night, guys.
All right, you
Thank
too,
you.
man. Yep, that's a true security guard right there,
No.
man. Somebody that knows the
She was
law.
like- she was apologizing no matter if it was her fault or not, or whoever's fault it was.
Yeah, and don't be afraid to ever give your channel out, man. That's another thing.
To shout out your channel.
No, when they say, "Hey, are you System Virus X?" Yeah, that's
Yeah.
me. I'm out here representing for the First Amendment, defending our rights and our freedom on the streets. That's exactly what we're doing. We're not going to let people stop us from doing what we're legally able to do out here on the public. That's the way it is.
And guy trying to go hands on you.
Yeah, he wasn't going to do nothing. He's just a Tuffy McTufferson. What's happening, bro?
Have a good day at work.
Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and end this one right here. Out here protecting our rights on the streets. Remember to always defend your freedom on the streets, guys. Don't let these people push you around, tell you what to do. SGV News First. Out here with System Virus X. Represent. Don't forget to show love for System Virus X. Visit his channel. Subscribe. Share. And support. We're out of here, guys.